Today, we are presenting a special scenario of normal teacher teaching a deaf mute students. This is not a random sense. This is shows how communicated happen when only one side can hear and speak. In this video, we will see how understanding takes place, how the student responds, and how the teacher manages the class without sound. Let's begin the scenario. The teacher enters the classroom. All the students stand up and wish him good morning. The teacher asks, "Did you finish your homework yesterday?" All students smile and confidently say yes. The teacher goes to a girl and asks, "Did you do your homework? Did you understand what I told yesterday?" The girl only shakes her head even though she said yesterday before. Then the teacher goes to a boy and asks the same question. The boy also shakes his head and says SSS without understanding anything. They are just answering yes, but they do not actually understanding what the teacher asked. Teacher says, "I will write a question on the board." And the teacher goes to the board and they write the question. He calls in one student randomly. The student comes near the board, but he does not know what to write. The teacher scolds him and says, "I already told this yesterday, and you said your homework is done, and you said yes, but you don't know the answer." The teacher sends the student back to his place. Then the teacher asks the entire class again, "Do you all know this answer or not?" All the students are nod their head, and but none of them actually know it. The teacher became very serious and angry. He shouts, "Tomorrow I will ask this question again. If anyone does not answer, I will beat them with a stick." The students became even more sad and scared. The teacher left the classroom. Students start discussing among themselves. They said, "What sir was telling, we did not understand anything." They try to recognize the words, but they cannot understand his voice. One boy says, "Sir was speaking so much. How can I understand? How can I recognize it?" He adds, "If a deaf teacher comes, at least I can recognize the signs. But this sir is speaking and I did not understand a single thing." A girl also says, "Yes, I also did not understand sir words." And they says, "We are the deaf. How we can listen to his voice?" Everyone became even more sad and silent. A new sir entered the classroom. He is also deaf and mute. All students become very active and excited. They stand up and wish him a good morning. The sir smiles and says, "Sit down." The student feels very happy with him. The sir says, "Did you do your homework yesterday?" The students respond very actively. The sir looked at the board, and the question on the board was, "What is the total member of Lok Sabha?" So the sir asked, "Did you know this answer?" The student said, "No, sir, we don't know." Oh, the sir said, "Okay, I will explain clearly." He explained what Lok Sabha means. He explained how MPs are selected. He explained how the seats are decided. He taught everything in a very simple way. Then the sir said the total number of Lok Sabha members is 543. The student understood very well. They felt happily and the confidence. Sir calls one boy to stand and answer. The boy confidently signed, and Lok Sabha has any 543 members. Sir calls in one girl next. Sir asks a second question. What is the any majority need to from government? The girl answered 273 seats. Sir is very happy and the whole class claps in a sign language. If you have any doubt, ask me. You should take knowledge from the books. Read the books and understand everything clearly. Sir told, "Tomorrow we will meet us." After leaving the college, the students gather together. They start discussing the class. If a deaf sir teach, we can easily understand him. But if a speaking sir comes, we cannot recognize or understand his words. They all are agreed and nodded. They felt confidence and happily after the class, and they hence, moral of the story is the right way of teaching can turn silent into understanding and confusion into confidence. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe SS Talks.